Hello guys, what's up?
Hello guys, welcome to our channel.
Welcome to our channel. It's a new channel.
It's new channel, yeah. So ये हमारा first vlog होने वाला है.
City lights blink, they got secrets to spill. Painted asphalt whispers.
तो अभी हमने हमारे basically shack में check in कर लिया है. So we have actually booked this pretty looking shack. ये
There's
अभी
one more floor on the top.
yes, so there is like duplex
Yep.
and it is amazing. Like after this video मैं इसका एक clip डालूंगी पूरे villa का.
Every step a crack where the smile decayed. Voices in my head softly hum your tune. Dancing with the shadows under a silver moon. Falling stars write your name across the sky. Every trail burns bright, but they won't tell me why. Colliding with the echoes where love used to bloom. In the deep of the night under a pale lit room.
And guess the price. मतलब
We'll not disclose the price right now. We'll disclose this
actually
later.
yeah, true. So DM या comment करो, follow करो, तब हम आपको and message us follow करे बिना message हमें नहीं आने वाला. Message us and we will definitely share you the location because ये location का नाम भी बहुत unique है. You won't be able to find it. But Airbnb में I would
Yeah, and you
put
can
a
find
picture.
an Airbnb.
Yeah, you will be able to find it in Airbnb. I'll put a picture over here. And so yeah, this is our day one in Goa, and now currently we are going to one of our family friends to basically gift them something which we have gotten for them. So yeah, let's go, and we're gonna have our lunch as well.
Colliding with the echoes where love used to bloom. In the deep of the night under a pale lit room.
Oh my goodness, ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ है राइट नाउ. हम दोनों की हालत ख़राब हो रखी है. लेजिट कम हियर. ओह माय गुडनेस, जस्ट हम दोनों के साथ ऐसा इंसिडेंट हो चुका है जो हम दोनों ने इमेजिन नहीं किया था. तो वी केम गोवा. हमें एक हमारे फैमिली फ्रेंड को एक पार्सल देना था. हमने वो दे दिया. Then we decided to go Panjim, but apparently it was too far from Vagator Beach side. So yeah, actually good we didn't go to Panjim. So हमने वो decide किया. वो eventually last moment plan cancel हो गया. And then we went to Kalangut. We sat. We were just normally ordering some, beer, mint something. Sorry, beer, pint, and everything. Pint. I'm just too. Oh god. And it all of a sudden in Goa, it started raining. Like, bro. It's legit raining. Legit. Like, do you see that? It's all raining. My goodness. Finally, अब shack में आ चुके हैं. And we've got some wine. And here's Hirinda. Oh my goodness, please, it's mine. It's all mine. Okay, so अभी हम like कुछ like games वगैरह खेलने वाले हैं moderately. And so yeah, that's it for day one. Hey guys, so we are currently in the jacuzzi with
Cheers,
some
guys.
wine. We're gonna enjoy, we're gonna sit here, chill for some time. And currently this is the weather in Goa, which is very rainy.
It is kind of a cold.
Chill, but very chill. It's good. So we're gonna sit here, we're gonna relax, we're gonna enjoy for some time. It's like we're gonna go see Olim, I've said. Bye!
Just the wind that
Welcome back. Okay. So currently,
We're going for the pool table.
yeah, but plan में बहुत ज़्यादा major changes आए हैं. Like we were planning to go Kiki by the sea, but instead of that, we have come to this
Al Bailey.
beautiful place
Known as Al Bailey.
known as Al Bailey, which is very very pretty. And we're gonna play some pool. So there is our pool table. We're gonna play some pool for now. And even tonight, we're not going to Lhasa. Apparently,
That is a
because-
surprise. That is a surprise. We'll tell you.
Yeah, we'll tell you where we are going apparently, but sadly we didn't get Thalassa because आज Halloween है
And the booking was-
booking like Thalassa is completely booked. We tried our best, but we couldn't. So we're going to a very
Second
good place.
best place.
Yeah, second best place.
Equal to
And-
Thalassa.
Yeah. So we're now currently we're gonna have lunch. We're gonna play pool and
Then
have
we're gonna
fun.
chill and then evening we'll go for the
Yes, and then evening we'll go for clubbing. So meet you directly at clubbing. Bye.
Painted asphalt whispers a soulful chill. Clouds pass slow like memories that fade. Walking through the midnight, chasing dreams we made. Echo of your laugh, now a ghost in the shade. Every step a crack where the smile decayed. Voices in my head softly hum your tune. Dancing with the shadows under a silver moon. Falling stars write your name across the sky. Every trail burns bright.
Okay, so I know ये part में कोई introduction या क्या है कुछ बताया नहीं है because apparently हम दोनों भूल चुके थे. We were just enjoying the moment and we just realized that it was so important to be in the moment rather than recording because every performances and every dance or every shows and even in dancing we were so busy in it that we both forgot to record it. So basically this was our second day's last activity, actually second last activity which we did, which was to visit CO2 Club, and we had a blast time over there. You can actually see the with the performances that's there, it was mind-blowing. Now back to the video. हालांकि हमें कंटिन्यूसली बारिश मिल रही है गोवा में. एंड फाइनली वी हैव वेटेड फॉर सम gelato. But I'll show you. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Which one are we taking? Which one are we taking?
I want brownie, I think. Which one?
I think I'll go with tiramisu or cheesecake.
Brownie. Go with brownie.
I would go for lotus biscuit then.
No, I'm trying to take one of the items.
Then brownie. It is a lovely brown flavored gelato. Trust me guys, you should have gelato rather than having ice cream. It's always the best.
Which is your bro?
This is the place which we had the gelato from, Tiamo. And look at him having gelato. मेरे लिए कुछ छोड़ोगे नहीं छोड़ोगे? What is this? Hirin, what is this, Hirina?
It's a good gelato.
I know it is good. It's very good.
I don't understand the difference between ice cream and gelato, but she said gelato is more healthier than ice cream, so I'm having ice cream.
It is.
Yeah.
It is.
So if you want a gelato, this is a good place.
Yes, it actually
So we
is
were
a
craving
very,
for
very,
gelato.
very good place.
We were craving for
It is
gelato.
Tiamo.
We were craving for gelato, and suddenly we found it.
We found it exactly.
And this bitch doesn't let me talk.
Like bro, like हमारा नसीब है बस. हमें बारिश से बचाया है भगवान ने. मेरे को gelato खाना था, हमें gelato भी मिल गया. So yeah, this is that place. Do visit
And she
guys.
doesn't let me talk.
Okay, so now we are heading to our shack basically, and we gotta buy booze. We gotta buy something to eat with it, but it's fun. This is our day 3 in
Goa.
and currently we're having our breakfast, which is this evening. So we have an English breakfast, which has bread,
That video is still there.
egg, beans, tomatoes, mushroom, bacon, and a piece of sausage, like we had two. And then we have a ham cheese sandwich. Then there is hot dog, and then one is meal, which we have almost like finished. Finish it up and. So after this we are planning to go to the beach. Actually हम जो breakfast जगह पे आए हैं, it is Jaws, and this is our second time coming here. We came here the first day to have lunch. What's up? So currently हम हैं
Anjuna में.
Yes, so we are at the beach and we're gonna go have some fun. Basically, हम नहाने वाले हैं beach में. Most it's very clear water. It's pretty cool. So, see you later. Bye bye. Guys, so अभी हम currently go karting करने आए हैं in Goa. Look at him. हमारा just हो गया है go karting वगैरह करके. And he's still not ready to leave. He is still not fucking ready to leave. And now we're going to another location. So stay tuned. Yeah, by the way, it is a lovely track in nature. Very, very, very pretty in Goa. So अभी हम एक बहुत नई लोकेशन पे जा रहे हैं. बहुत अच्छी लोकेशन है. So stay tuned and you'll get to know. Hello, what's up? So अभी हम हैं कहाँ पे?
Hey guys, how you doing? We are at PJ. Panjim.
Come on. So we are currently at Panjim and we are standing near Old Church.
I showed you. Now this is the hard work you have to do. So you have to fill, open it, and and the extra रहेगा वो खाना पड़ेगा. And then you have to fill like this, and then your poi is ready. And we'll see now she'll eat. So you should not waste the food. So जो अंदर का जो filling है वो थोड़ा खा लेने का. समझे लोग? Ooh. She's too shy now. Because girls do not take pictures without makeup. Chalo bye guys.
Hey guys, what's up?
So आज हम first of all आज है हमारा day 4
4, sorry, 4. Day 1 and day 4.
in Goa.
Day 4 of Goa, day 1 of something. new with
Searching in the void like you'd still be there. Eyes shut tight, see the dreams barely glow. Fingers reach for nothing, just the wind that I know. Ocean tide crashing in the chest, waves break. Still drowning in your name, every breath I take. Falling stars, write your name across the sky. Every trail burns bright, but they won't tell me why. Colliding with the echoes where love used to bloom, in the deep of the night under a pale lit room.
What's up guys? So हमने हमारा टैटू करवा लिया है. अभी currently it looks very messy because of the plasma that's there, but yeah, so we've done 2 to 4, which basically means today, tomorrow and
forever.
yes. And currently right now we are at Goa airport, basically Manohar, or you can even say Mopa, and we're having Subway our dinner. हमारी फ़्लाइट 10 की थी बट वो डिले होके 10:30 हो चुकी है. सो अभी हम अपना डिनर करेंगे, देन विल कैच द फ्लाइट एंड विल गो टू मुंबई. एंड हियर द व्लॉग फाइनली एंड्स. सो सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट व्लॉग. बाय बाय. You have anything to say? He's very hungry. He is very, very, very hungry.
Bye. See you soon.
And do remember to like, share, comment, and please press on that subscribe button and click on the notification bell, which is just next to your subscribe button. Bye bye.
Dream